Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will unbox a refurbished XS Max that I purchased from apple.com. But before I do that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. What I do on my channel is mostly unboxing Apple products and sometimes reviewing them. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna open the box. I just actually received this from UPS. It was like a 2-day delivery kind of thing. So that's how it looks like. Pretty slow. So it's well packaged actually. Alright, let's do that. Perfect. That's the phone. Let's get rid of the package. So this is how it looks like. So refurbished, so it's not new. It comes with the new casing and the new battery. So you shouldn't worry about the battery. So that's what it looks like from the back. Let's unbox it now. Let's see what's inside the box. I got the silver color. You guys asked for the gold. I couldn't find the gold, so I got the silver, and it cost me about $799. So you guys got that. So right now let's check out what's in the box. It comes with a 5-watt charger, AirPods, and the cable to charge the phone. That's exactly what's inside the box. So let's turn the phone on. Choose the language, English. Let's set it up. Let's just make sure it's not unlocked. So now it's connected to the internet. Let's just make sure it works and it's not SIM locked like the other phone I bought. If you guys had the chance to check out my other unboxing of the refurbished XS, I had the issue of getting a locked phone, so says SIM is not supported, which means the phone is locked. It's different than saying SIM is not valid, which means the SIM is not working. So let's check this one out and see what happens. It's fair. Let's get the SIM inside. This gets that way. Perfect. So passcode, celebrator. So agree, continue. Actually not now. So I use Cricket. So I think it's working. Get to the home screen. So the phone is apparently is unlocked, which is amazing. So this is how it looks like. So I would definitely recommend you guys get it if you guys want to save some bucks. It cost me about $799 and plus taxes, which is $300 cheaper than when it first came. The price was $1,099 back then. So if you guys like the video, or if you want me to unlock any other Apple products, just let me know and I'll do my best to do so. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.